Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Hello friends, I'm back. After a few weeks, after winter break, I know you may have expected me to upload more during winter break because I would have more time, but it turns out I wanted to spend time with my family and binge The Queen's Gambit. So that was very fun. The Queen's Gambit is a great show. I love 60s music, I love 60s and 50s fashion, so it was a great show for me. I love Anya Taylor-Joy. She is such a joy to watch, and I could not imagine any other actress playing Beth Harmon. And I'm wearing a candy cane sweater today that was my mom's in the 90s, and it may or may not be giving me allergies because this morning when I put it on, I was very sniffly and my eyes started to water. It's like cats. I'm allergic to cats. They make my eyes water, but after a while, it seems to get better. Anyway, I'm living my sort of vintage-esque dream, wearing my mom's old slacks too. These are definitely not 60s, but why am I sharing this with you? This has nothing to do with what I am trying to talk about in this intro. I have some footage from the past few weeks that I want to share with y'all because I haven't been recording much. So what this vlog will include is me passing my driver's written test, woo, at the DMV, which is quite a scary experience. And then going hiking with my family in the forest, in the green, lush, verdant forest.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular.
And then talking about my New Year's resolutions, which I will probably do in a voiceover over the hiking video. So stay tuned. When we first got to the DMV, there was a really long line of people, and it took us maybe like 40 minutes to get to the front of the line just to get screened to enter the building, and it was hard to hear people, and that made me really stressed out because I literally couldn't understand what the people were trying to say to me. So now I just got my number, and I'm waiting for my confirmation to get my actual number or something. That was so stressful. Like, I was being given so many instructions that I literally didn't know how to follow. It's quite embarrassing. Basically, I was waiting in the car to get a number to get into the building to do some more paperwork and stuff and actually take my test. Then I also got my permit photo taken, which was quite strange, and the ladies there were really nice, and the test went pretty well. I'm all done, and not only did I pass, but I got a 93%. That's an A. Not just an A minus, but an A. The lady was really quiet, so I'm not really sure what to do next, but I guess I'll just figure that out later. Honestly, I'm concerned about driving because I barely know right from left, and I don't know my accelerator from the brake, and I don't know how to drive bumper cars, and I don't know how to play Mario Kart, so like, how do you expect me to actually drive? Here I have a celebratory Phil's coffee. Cheers. Got a new Manhattan, which is new because I usually just get a whatchamacallit, mint mojito. So yeah.
慢点，有点。对啊。
Marvy!